What is up, guys? I'm back with a little more Airsoft gameplay video. I have a couple team deathmatch rounds to show you, and I'm gonna be honest, the gameplay isn't that great. It was getting near the end of the day and my battery was dying, so my trigger response was iffy at best. And to top it all off, we're playing with a few guys that I didn't really enjoy playing with. I'll get to that later. But besides that, enjoy the video. So as you can see, my gun's still giving me a few problems. So I decided to move away because the guy's kind of behind cover and I'm not confident in my gun's ability to kill him at the moment. I almost feel bad about that kill because it looks like he might have been walking away from his spawn, but at the same time he was walking in the middle of the field, so I don't feel that bad.
Double kill!
Hey, you got me.
That moment was a little disappointing because the only reason I couldn't get into the building that I was trying to clear was because the people that were dead were walking out, so kind of just sitting out there awkwardly to get shot from across. But whatever, it happens. And with that disappointing death, that's game over for me. This was probably the best game I had in the end here, and these next couple are just but if you want to see them, stick around.
I'm on your team. Someone go that way and I'll cover you guys. Right in the head. Nice shot.
Since I'm dead, I guess I can take this time to complain. So a couple of guys that I mentioned earlier that I didn't enjoy playing with, they were on my team, but since I just switched teams, now they're on the enemy team. And I've noticed that they may not exactly be playing fairly. A couple of guys came and talked to me and they thought their guns might be shooting hot. And you'll see later, I don't know if they're calling their hits honorably, but I don't have a zoom cam, so it's really hard to tell. So I just kind of played with it, I just rolled with it, but in the end, I did not enjoy playing with these people.
Hold it up. Hit it! God.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Hit. You got me too.
And that right there was the low point of my day. It kind of happened quickly, so I'll explain what happened. So my teammate shined a flashlight on me from behind, which projected my shadow onto the wall, so the people around the corner knew I was coming. He then proceeds to pull out his pistol, and I don't know if he was behind his gun, but it almost looks like he's blind firing straight at me from less than 10 feet away, and he lights up my side. I'm not really salty about getting shot. It's Airsoft, that happens. I'm more salty about the fact that he blind fires at me from around the corner, and then he waits so long to call his hit until after it's clear that I called my hit and I'm walking off. He kind of shrugs off and says, "Oh yeah, you hit me too," as if it wasn't like obvious in the first place.
Got me.
And finally, this last game is just me getting shot a few times in a row and me losing all my lives nearly immediately. So that was fun. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos, or if you like the other things I post on my channel, check it out. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Have a good one.
Hey! Dude, I totally killed him. Woo! Headshot.